Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is classification of antiarrhythmic drugs. Before the discussion of classification of antiarrhythmic drugs, we should know about the antiarrhythmic drugs. Actually, antiarrhythmic agents correct the arrhythmias of the heart. Okay? Many factors can participate or exacerbate arrhythmia like ischemia, hypoxia, acidosis, alkalosis, electrolyte abnormality, and catecholamine exposure, drug toxicity, and presence of any diseased tissue. Okay, so all the antiarrhythmic drugs result from the following, like disturbances in impulse formation, disturbances in impulse conduction, like that. So now come to the classification of antiarrhythmic drugs. Actually, antiarrhythmic drugs are classified into 4 types according to their electrophysiological properties. The drugs that are used for arrhythmias are sodium, potassium, and calcium channel blocker. So now come to the first class. Class 1 is blockage of fast sodium ion channel by depressing phase of the action potential. Actually, these have primary action on sodium channel and potassium channel across the cell membrane. Class 1 is classified into 3 type of agents. Number 1 is moderate to marked sodium channel blockage agent, and number B is mild to moderate sodium blockage agents, and number 3 is marked sodium channel blockage agents. So these are the example of drugs which comes under these type of category or classes of the drugs. For example, quinidine, procainamide, modigicine, disopyramide, and tazobactam. These are the drugs which comes under the first category of the class 1, which comes under moderate to marked sodium channel blockage agents, and this is the structure of the procainamide drug. Now come to the next one is B, mild to moderate sodium channel blockage agents. This example of drugs like lidocaine, maxiltine, tocanides, and the phenytoin. This is the structure of the phenytoin drug. C category is marked sodium channel blockage agents. For example of the drugs, phenylenamide, encanide, lorcainide, propanophenone, aprindine, indicanide, pilcicanide. These are the example of the drug which come under in the first class and third category of the first class, and this is the structure of the pilcicanamide. Class 2, the name of the class 2 is beta adrenergic antagonist, and the example of drugs is which comes under the second class is acebutolol, esmolol, sotalol, propranolol, timolol, pindolol, etc. These drugs are that prolongs the repolarization. This is the structure of pindolol drugs. Now come to the class 3, that is repolarization prolongators. Example of drug that is amiodarone, acecanamide, beryllium tosylate. And now come to the category class 4, calcium channel blockers. Example of drugs which comes under the calcium channel blockers is verapamil and diltiazem. These drugs having the action is to inhibit calcium channel mediated current. This is the structure of verapamil drug. This is the classification of the antiarrhythmic drugs.